Beginner's Paradise. Welcome to the colorful world of eyeshadow. Here you'll find endless possibilities to express your creativity and enhance your natural beauty. This guide is for you if you're just starting out. Whether you're a complete novice or just looking to refine your skills, we've got you covered. We'll keep it simple and easy. Our step-by-step tutorials will break down each process, making it easy to follow along and practice. Get ready to learn the basics and have fun with your look. Experimentation is key, so don't be afraid to try new things and see what works best for you. Eyeshadow can define your eyes. It can add depth, dimension, and a pop of color that can transform your entire look. It can be a little tricky at first. Blending, choosing the right colors, and applying them correctly can seem overwhelming. But don't worry, we'll guide you. With a bit of practice and the right techniques, you'll gain confidence and improve your skills. Soon you'll be creating stunning eye looks. From everyday natural styles to bold, dramatic statements, the possibilities are endless. So let's get started on this exciting journey together. Prepping your lids, the perfect canvas. Before you begin, prepping your eyelids is key. This ensures the eyeshadow lasts longer. Start with a clean eyelid, then apply a small amount of eyeshadow primer. Primer creates a smooth base for your eyeshadow. It helps the color stay put. It prevents creasing and fading. Use your fingertip to gently blend the primer across your eyelid. Choosing your colors. Keep it simple. Choosing the right eyeshadow colors can seem overwhelming. As a beginner, start with a neutral palette. These palettes usually have shades of brown, beige, and cream. Neutral colors are great for everyday looks. They are easy to blend and complement most skin tones. Once you're comfortable, you can experiment with brighter shades. Eyeshadow application. From base to lid, the perfect eyeshadow look starts with the right tools and products. Make sure you have a good quality eyeshadow palette and a set of brushes. Now let's apply the eyeshadow. First, select a clean eyeshadow brush. It's important to use clean brushes to avoid any unwanted color mixing. Begin with a light shade from your palette. This will act as the foundation for your entire look. This will be your base color. Apply it evenly across your eyelid. Apply it all over your eyelid, from the lash line to the brow bone. This creates a smooth canvas for the other colors. Next, choose a medium shade. This will add depth to your eyes. Apply this shade to your eyelid crease. This step is crucial for defining your eye shape. Start from the outer corner and blend inwards. This technique helps to create a gradient effect. Use a light hand and blend well for a seamless transition. Blending is key to achieving a professional look. Take your time to ensure there are no harsh lines. The art of blending seamless and chic. Blending is crucial for a polished look. Use a fluffy blending brush to soften any harsh lines. Move the brush in small, circular motions. Focus on blending the edges of the different shades. There should be no visible lines, just a smooth gradient of color. Blending takes practice, so don't be afraid to experiment. Finishing touches, completing your masterpiece. This is the final step in your makeup journey, where all your hard work comes together to create a stunning look. To make your eyes pop, apply a highlighter. This will add a beautiful glow and draw attention to your eyes, making them the focal point of your look. Use a shimmery light shade on your brow bone. This technique not only highlights your eyes, but also gives them a lifted appearance, adding depth and dimension. You can also apply it to the inner corner of your eyes. This small touch can make a big difference, brightening your eyes and making you look more awake and refreshed. Finish with mascara to define your lashes. Mascara adds volume and length, making your eyes look bigger and more expressive. Apply 1 or 2 coats, wiggling the wand from root to tip. This ensures that each lash is coated evenly, giving you a fuller, more dramatic look. And there you have it, a simple yet stunning eyeshadow look. This look is perfect for any occasion, whether it's a casual day out or a special event. Congratulations on completing this beginner's guide. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become in your makeup skills. Don't be afraid to try different colors and techniques. Experimenting is key to finding what works best for you and discovering new looks that you love. Have fun and embrace your creativity. Makeup is an art form, and it's all about expressing yourself and having fun with it. Enjoy the process and let your personality shine through your makeup.